What's up, guys? Again, it's your boy Jembot and another health and safety talks again with your OSH consultant. Yan. So, meron na tanong. Sabi niya, sino mo ba yung gumagawa ng OSH program? Yung safety officer ka ba or yung civil engineer? So, sagutin natin yan ng mabilis. Ang OSH program, ang gumagawa niyan yung Health and Safety Committee. Yung Health and Safety Committee, ito ay kinocompose ng chairman. Yung chairman natin, yun yung top operating officer ng organization or ng workplace. At yung secretary, yun yung safety officer. May mga members yan. Yung members na yan, ito yung mga department heads or supervisors. Kasama dito yung mga occupational health personnel, first aiders, nurses, or doctors. Plus, yung ating workers representatives or yung fire. Ngayon, para makabuo sila ng OSH program, magpaplano at magde-develop sila. Ang tawag sa team ngayon ay Health and Safety Committee. Para yun yung ipa-implement sa buong workplace na ito yung ating health and safety program. At ang target natin, zero accident program at minimize illnesses in workplace. Para ma-prevent natin yung benefits and violations ng Department Order 198 Series of 2018, part yan ng OSH standards. Yun lamang muna ngayon, hanggang sa susunod ng ating information dissemination. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!